Namaste and welcome to Everything in Minutes, your go-to place for all the latest infrastructure updates from across incredible India. I'm Meera, and in just a few minutes, we'll take you through the most exciting projects, breakthroughs, and developments that are transforming our cities, roads, railways, and beyond. From Mumbai to Delhi, Chennai to Kolkata, we've got it all covered. Let's dive right in and explore how India is building its future, one project at a time. In Jagannath Puri, the Temple Link Road project has begun to connect historic temples around the Jagannath Temple. The road will feature 10 plazas and be pedestrian-friendly. Chhara Port in Gujarat has received approval from the Government of India to begin importing and exporting goods, with operations starting on November 14, 2024. SpaceX will launch India's GSAT-N2 communication satellite, developed by ISRO, weighing 4,700 kg. The satellite, with a 70 gigabits per second transfer speed and total throughput of 48 gigabits per second, will provide significant coverage and speed for data transfer. The Indian Railways has allocated 16,240 crore rupees for the development of 132 railway stations, including CST station in Mumbai. Navyug Engineering Limited has received a contract to build a new port at Ramayapatnam in Prakasham district, with 49% stake with Aurobindo Realty Infrastructure Private Limited, Andhra Pradesh, boosting trade and logistics. In Hyderabad, the CM announced a 25,000 crore rupees Metro Phase 3 project, which includes 4 new corridors to expand public transportation in the city. AirAsia has announced 2 new international flights from Sri Vijayapuram, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, to Nairobi and Kuala Lumpur, enhancing direct international connectivity from the region. Before we dive deeper into further updates, if you are enjoying the latest infrastructure projects shaping India, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and let us know what you think in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Everything in Minutes. We bring you fresh updates on the country's most exciting developments. Also, don't miss out on our other videos. Just click on the video at end to check out more. Now, let's get back to the latest developments. In Himachal Pradesh, the government plans to develop Gobind Sagar Lake as a major tourist destination, with infrastructure improvements to attract visitors. The DRDO successfully tested a long-range hypersonic missile from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island in Odisha, reaching speeds greater than Mach 9, boosting India's defense capabilities. DRDO has developed an integrated command and control center under the Smart City mission at a cost of 121 crore rupees to enhance security and monitoring. The Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board has approved a new ropeway project to improve accessibility to the shrine in Katra, catering to the growing number of visitors. ISRO's Autonomous Hill Development Council is working on a habitat project in Ladakh to explore creating breathable atmospheres and plant life in barren areas, as a test for future space exploration. Ahmedabad's Urban Development Authority has unveiled an 8 crore rupees bridge project at Sindhu Bhavan Road Junction, aimed at easing traffic congestion and handling 1 lakh riders daily.
Thank you for watching Everything in Minutes, bite-sized updates for busy lives. For more such updates, link in bio.